Hello, this is Loredana from Italy. Would you like cooking simple Italian dishes the way Italians do? Would you like enjoying food the way Italians do in their everyday life? Then come with me, I'll show you. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare some Fusilli Rustici. It comes from Trapani, Sicily. It's really delicious and at the same time really simple to do it. In terms of time, only 10 minutes, and in terms of ingredients, very few and basic. Ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen every day. It could be the last minute pasta for your last minute guests. Okay, I'm going to show you what you need to do. You are going to need some fusilli, chopped onion, boneless black olives, anchovy fillet, breadcrumbs, only one tomato just to give it some color, extra virgin olive oil, and some parsley. These are all the ingredients you need to prepare it. Okay, that's all. First thing to do is to take a big pan filled with water, let it up to boiled water and put a generous sprinkling of salt. Then I'll show you. Okay, now the water is boiling. You put a generous sprinkling of salt. You put your fusilli. You stir it off and on. And you let it cook until it's ready. It depends on the time specified in each brand of pasta. In my case, is about 9 minutes. I recommend you to cook it al dente, so it's worth it to taste it a few minutes before the cooking ending time. Al dente means it should be a little bit hard when you chew it, so not too soft and sticky. Another thing very important, before draining your pasta, make sure you save a bowl or a cup of salted cooking water, like this. Save it 3 minutes before your fusilli are ready. This cooking water will help you to whisk your fusilli and gently combine them with the other ingredients. I'll show you. In the meanwhile, you make a nice salted onion. In a cooking pan with olive oil, you put your chopped onion, medium heat or lower it just a bit if it's too high. Let it cook until it's slightly golden. Then you put your anchovies in olive oil. I would say at least 4. Okay. Let it dissolve. Then you put your black olives without bones. Cut in little pieces. Let it cook for a few minutes at medium heat. If you see it dries a bit, you can add a bit of salted cooking water. Then, just to give it some color, you put only few pieces of little pieces of tomato. Let it cook for a few minutes more. Put some salt, not quite a lot, because there are also black olives and anchovies on it, so I don't want it to be a lot of salted, so just a bit. Okay, all done. Our sauteed onion with the other ingredients is done. You switch off the heat. Okay, aside you need to prepare your breadcrumbs. In a little pan, medium heat, you put some olive oil, you put your breadcrumbs, with salt in it. You stir it off and on. You lower the heat if you see it's too high. And stir it until it's slightly toasted. You can add just a bit of olive oil more. It becomes more tasty. Okay. Stop your heat, and this is done. All done. You only need to put all the ingredients together now. Now you put your dry pasta in your sauteed onion and stir it. And then you add your breadcrumbs you cooked before. And then you put some salted boiled water in it, because you don't want it to be too dry. All the ingredients has to be tied together in a sort of cream. Okay, and then put some other salted cooking water, and you put, if you want, some parsley. All done. Enjoy your fusilli rustici. Well, here we are again. Since this dish has very few and basic ingredients, make sure to choose only quality of them. I'm thinking in particular to olive oil and anchovies, so choose only extra virgin olive oil and anchovy fillet. I wouldn't use anchovy concentrate. Trust me, if you do it, half of your dish is already done. Okay, did you like this recipe? If so, follow me. I want to transfer you all the simplicity of the Italian cuisine. Simple day-to-day life recipes that comes from the Italian tradition and stays at the core of the true Italian taste. Even if you don't have any cooking skills, you will be able to do it, because what's really matter at the end? You got the Italian way of cooking and you make it yours. Taste of Italy to all of you. Bye!